Hello, we want to thank you for taking time to learn more about LED radiant lighting solutions and how LED lighting can save significant money on our customers' electric bill. This presentation is designed to help educate the customer and introduce how LED Radiant completes a complimentary lighting on-site survey and solutions package, including their return on their investment lighting. This presentation is meant to be completed in 15 minutes or less and includes some interactive questions for the customer. It is also meant to be a tool to help the customer learn more about the benefits of converting to LED lighting and how LED Radiant can provide a solution that can save them a significant amount of money on their electric bill. So let's get started. I want to thank you for taking a few moments of your time, and I promise I won't go longer than 15 minutes unless you have questions or would like more information. If you look at the headlines in the paper today, you probably see a lot of news about the rising costs of energy. Energy bills are expected to continuously rise, and studies have shown with more regulations being implemented, it will affect energy rates even more. I would think that obviously rising electric costs probably affects your profits and your overall bottom line. Many people don't realize how much of their electric bill is affected by lighting. If we were to show you an average breakdown of your electric costs, lighting makes up approximately 22 to 40% of your electric bill, depending on how many lights you have and how long they are on each day. The typical types of bulbs that people use are HID or high intensity discharge, which typically is used in parking lots or high bay buildings, which range from 100 to 1000 watts, or fluorescent tubes. And now many people are using compact fluorescent lights, which do have less wattage but have a very short lifespan and other problems. When you have bulbs like the ones we just mentioned, the other hidden costs are maintenance expenses from having to hire someone or assigning your own staff to constantly replace burnt out light bulbs. This requires manpower as well as equipment expenses. One restaurant we have seen has more than 100 CFL bulbs on 18 hours a day or more, and they have to replace their bulbs every 8 months. Another potential danger to having to replace your light bulbs often are the safety risks to either your employees or possibly your customers. The less often you have to replace your bulbs, the safer it is and the less expensive. And lastly, a lot of people don't realize that their lighting also affects their cooling costs by as much as 5 to 15%. By converting to LED lighting, you can potentially reduce your air conditioning costs by 5 to 15% and your lighting costs between 50 to 80%. If we could provide a solution with the same or better lighting while reducing your electric bill and maintenance costs, would that be of interest to you? Many businesses are seeing the benefits of converting to LED because it is a very good investment, with usually more than 20% annual savings and an ROI which can be realized within just a few short years. Some of the advantages of LED lighting is that it saves electric costs, has a much longer lifespan, and provides higher level of brightness and intensity. On this picture, you can clearly see the difference between a typical street light and the brightness by converting to LED lighting. With LED Radiant lighting, you can choose the white color or color temperature that best fits your needs. And by converting to LED lighting, it will help to increase safety for your employees and customers by providing a much brighter light, significantly saves on electric costs, and significantly reduces your maintenance and replacement costs. LED lights can last anywhere from 5 to 15 years depending on how often they are used. I am almost finished with our brief presentation, but want to real quick show you a typical comparison between a standard fluorescent tube and an LED Radiant tube. One of the most common lights used are fluorescent tubes, which actually have the worst ROI, flickers which causes eye irritation, is costly to maintain, and the light output decays very quickly. However, when you compare that to LED radiant LED tubes, they have the best ROI, no flicker, significantly reduces maintenance costs, and cuts energy savings by as much as 45% for each bulb. And another example of a typical lifespan comparing one LED radiant light compared to a CFL, one LED radiant bulb can last longer than 15 to 25 CFL bulbs, which significantly reduces your electric costs as well as maintenance. And another comparison of LED versus HID, which is typically used in parking lots or garages. LED radiant LED lights can provide up to 73% or more lighting cost reduction by helping you to convert from HID to LED. This can be a significant reduction in your lighting costs. LED Radiant delivers high-quality products with the most up-to-date LED lighting technology and provides lower costs for the product because it is a manufacturer selling directly to the consumer. Lastly, I'm going to briefly show you the process we use to determine how much you can actually save and how to get started. First, we need to fully understand what type of bulbs and fixtures you currently have, so with your permission, I will complete a lighting site survey, which just means that I will walk around your site, count up the number of fixtures, and identify the types of bulbs that you currently are using, as well as take a few pictures. As I'm doing that, I will be completing the LED Radiant Site Survey form that basically records the information about your facility. After completing the on-site survey, I will then prepare for you the LED Radiant Solutions package, which will show you a comparison of your current costs versus if you converted to LED lighting, your estimated savings, and what your payback would be. We would then meet again so that I can review the LED Solutions and ROI package with you, and at that time you can decide for yourself if it is a good investment for you. Typically, a business can make about 30% savings of their electric bill by converting to LED lighting. One last question I have: what percentage savings in your electric bill would you like to see in order for you to consider converting to LED? And now it's time to get started. Who might we work with to help guide us through the building so that I can complete our site survey? And if it's okay, I'd like to go ahead and schedule our next appointment so that I can review the completed solutions package in order to help you make a final decision. For more information, please take a look at our website at ledradiant.com or contact us at the phone number listed. That concludes our initial presentation, which has been designed to be completed in 15 minutes or less and easily assist you in helping to educate potential customers about LED Radiant lighting. As the LED Radiant account executive, we don't expect you to follow the script as written, as we have outlined in this training video, but we do believe you will make some minor revisions as you learn more about LED Radiant products and you become more comfortable presenting to your clients. We hope this training video has been informative in helping you to get started on a great career working with LED Radiant.